Hey guys, so today we're going to see how we can create a quick contact database with Google Contacts and Stackby. So for this, we're going to use an automation platform called Zapier. So once you log into Zapier, Zapier has a free account. What you can do is you can search for an app, in this case, Google Contacts. And then I want to connect this to Stackby. So you basically select, so I want to create like Stackby rows from the new contacts in Google Contacts. So I already have, an example Zap. I can try this. So first you need to add your Google Contacts account. You can add a new account from here. In this case, I've already added an account. I hit on continue. I can test this trigger to find the data in my account. So it basically gives me, the information of a contact. First name, last name, the company, email address, phone numbers, address, and so on. I can continue. Now I want to create a new row in Stackby. So first I need to select an app Stackby. The action event is create row. I'll just continue. Now I need to add an API key from my Stackby account. So I'll just add a new account. In this case, I've already added, an API key. So I'll just select that and continue. So now I can select, the workspace, stack, and table. So I've already created like the workspace automations and the stack contact database. So I'll just select that. So automations, the stack is contact database, and the table is the contacts table. So now I can select which fields will go into what columns. So in this case, I have, the columns first name, last name, phone numbers, email, and so on. So I can just select. So the name first will go into the first name. The name last will go into the last name. Phone number will be this one. And email is the emails. I can also add contact notes or tags, from the response that I get, within Google Contacts. But in this case, let's leave it at this, and I can continue. So now I can send this data. So I can send a test row. So I can select test and review. So a test row has been sent. So in the contact database, you will see a new row is created with first name, last name, phone numbers, and email, and what day it was created. So all you have to do is just turn on the Zap and sit back and relax, and you will see your contact database being filled out, within Stackby. And you can make it as actionable as possible. You can give them tags, or you can write notes or assign it to anybody to follow up with them, depending on, whether these are clients or customers or just like an internal contact database that you want to use for your business. Thanks a lot.